Welcome to Chess Homes, where we help you to elevate through real estate.
I buy, I script, you buy, you pick the house. Chess Home, we in the house. Chess Home, we in the house. This is chess, not checkers, and we help you live better. No pressure, we gon' find the best homes for your pleasure. Buyers and the shoppers, we the lowest price sellers, and we get you new keys when you get approval letters. The property collector, the real estate investor, we got buildings, homes, acres and hectares. Just a route, and you know what we about. Put your living in our hands, and we put you in a house. I buy, I script, you buy, you pick the house. Chess Home, we in the house. Chess Home, we in the house.
The property you see behind me, which is a 7-unit apartment complex, is in my possession. As a matter of fact, I started shooting this video. I should have did this before I did that. But the property you see behind me is now under contract. I have this property under contract right now, and I'm super excited. It's 7 units, cash flowing apartment building. So again, I can't tell you where it is, but stick and stay. We're going to walk through the property right now with my agents. Today is my first time looking at the property officially, but we came to an agreement before I actually got to see the apartment complex. So we're going to walk through, take a look at it. One of them I think is vacant, so you'll be able to see that one, but otherwise there's about 6 tenants in the other ones. So we won't infringe on their privacy, but we will take a look at this apartment complex that you see right behind me. Stick and stay, don't go away, and let's do some apartment shopping, guys. Thank you for hanging out with Chess Homes, where we help you to elevate through real estate. Stay right here. We'll be right back.
You get off your butt, go to the bank, find an agent, and get in it. You gotta be in it to win it. So get busy. Go see a banker, go find a real estate agent, look for a deal, and start making some money.
All right, guys, so here is the unit. I already see there's a place to add value, so we're going to look at doing a value add. All right, so property's okay so far. We do have an active train right next to the property, so that's something that you may want to look at or take into consideration for purchasing. Also, banks will take that into consideration too. She was saying there's a big bug issue.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Before they got something like that. Roaches. So infestation, and I think she said the current owner says the tenant's responsibility. So,
Yeah, usually with multifamilies, we take care of those people.
Right.
Just for what we manage.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll certainly get back to you guys to do that.
I will be happy to.
Definitely. Okay. Let's check a look at the room here. All of these are 2-bedroom. All of these are 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And the last tenant said that there's a pest control problem. So that's something that I feel like the owner should take care of, take responsibility for, not necessarily tenants. Okay. So let's keep moving through. Linen closet. That's newer, LED. So we did do some work on the walls here. Older tub. Current owners. That needs to be new. There. That needs to be updated. Tub is okay, actually. It could just be cleaned out. It's a pretty big bathroom. You can fit a laundry area and things like that inside. So this is not bad. Linen closet too? Yes. Oh, this is a storage closet. Okay. It's more of a storage closet. All right, guys. So now we're going to walk around to the back of the house. See the dryer vent here. And this is the back side. Yeah, the privacy walls. Brick, all brick at the bottom. Okay, yeah. All the way down. Is that way? Board and batten. Okay. What's that? The window trim. Yeah, here. Yeah. We got a window open over there. And each one of them. What about the AC units? Definitely don't want us. I'm not gonna make you walk. Right here. It's right here.
Those look to be pretty old.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Hold the AC. I don't want to make you walk all the way through the mud there. You gonna go? You don't mind? And what about the meters too? You see meters like for heat, gas? I don't see any meters though. Or oh, there's one there. Okay. So this one doesn't have one.
I'm not sure if the heat pump is included with the HVAC unit there.
Maybe.
Central, but
Central, yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
They have power.
That's a newer AC there. All the power meters are on number 3. Okay. Huh? The cable's there?
Cable and telephone.
Right, yep. All right, guys, so it doesn't look to be actually too bad. It's actually in pretty good condition, pretty decent condition. I mean, there are some things, some units could possibly be updated. We have an active train, which is over here. So that train is active. So basically, guys, I've got this property under contract right now for $349,000. I've convinced the owner to pay all closing costs. So my down payment on this is going to be 20% because it is commercial. It's a commercial property. And at 20% at $348,000 is what I have it under contract for. So at 20% down is going to be $69,900. I've already raised $60,000 for the down payment, including part of it being my money as well. So if you're interested in this deal, guys, I would love to have someone in at a $10,000 equity investment in this property where you'll have a portion of the property as well, okay? We'll talk about the numbers and how much I offer in interest payments, monthly interest payments. It's cash flowing very, very nicely. We'll get on Zoom. We'll talk about all the numbers and things like that. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check out the cedar
Cedar,
there.
yeah. I would probably come in and replace, possibly, yeah. Yeah.
And the gutters don't extend past the cedar, so I mean, it's kind of just the point.
Exactly, right. That's absolutely right. Looks like it's going through here, though. See here?
Right.
So it's actually coming inside and draining out there. But I can imagine there's probably still water coming in somewhere with that pattern. All right, well, I don't have many more questions that I can think of now.
Sure.
Yeah, but I definitely would like to get that data. I got to get the rent roll, find out what that is, full rent roll.
And I'm going to find you the age of the roof, too.
The age of the roof. And how old is the unit itself? Do we know that?
Oh, man, I wish I would have brought the tax suite information. I didn't think about it.
Yeah.
But we have that information all at the office.
Okay, yeah, because my lenders already asked me a few of those questions. They're asking for the rent roll now and the age of the unit.
Sure, absolutely.
I would
Yeah.
say 70 just based on the design.
So if you were going to update me as a buyer, what would you consider or recommend updating?
First of all, probably like air conditioning, infrastructure type stuff.
Okay.
First of all.
All right.
And then, just big problem areas, like if there's any leaks or whatever, structural stuff. I know we looked at one that had a couple of dips.
Couple of dips in the
just
roof
make
in the
sure
ceiling. Yeah.
that's not something that's
Active.
active right now.
Okay.
Compounding, water stuff.
Okay. All right.
Once one gets that squared away, you can worry about cosmetics.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. I think I've seen everything I could need to see here. Okay. Pleasure to meet you guys. All right. And I'll be in touch with Faye. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. So also our trash unit here. Okay, it is. Don't know that we would need to upgrade this at all. We got a pipe in the tree. Wonder what that's doing. There's trash. Here's our mailbox system here. And all right, and then there's that active train there. So once again, guys, I am in the process of purchasing this 7-unit apartment building that you see behind me. I've got it under contract now. We're going to be closing this thing in March, and I'm looking for a $10,000 investor to come in for 6 months. $10,000 for 6 months. So you put up $10,000 for about 6 months. After that, pay you a monthly interest fee, which is going to be much higher than what the banks would pay you, and cash you out with your full investment back within 6 months, and you will have made your monthly interest plus the full investment back within 6 months. So this is the deal behind me. I'm going to post up some pictures and things like that. Seems to be a pretty nice property. Decent people, very, very decent people. They had a few concerns, bugs and things like that. Most of them said that they, take care of their own extermination, and that's something that I feel that as an owner that, we would take care of. So that's an expense that I would incur just to make sure that there's no bugs. I mean, not that it's a slumlord. Some landlords make you take care of your own extermination, but me at Chess Homes, that's something that I would want to do for these renters. All right. So guys, if you have any questions, please leave your questions down in the comments down there. Please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone else that you think might want helpful information about real estate and how to buy real estate. But once again, that is the unit behind me. It is a 7-unit apartment complex. We're going to get closed on it. It's going to cash flow very nicely, but we are looking to make some improvements and updates on the unit. All right. And at that point, it's just cash flow from there. We put aside money for CapEx and just continue to collect rents. That's it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.
I buy, I script, you buy, you get the house. Chess Homes, we in the house.